A Fort Bend County man has been sentenced to 30 years in prison after shooting his wife multiple times. This all according to the Fort Bend County District Attorney's Office. Prosecutors say Kenrick Henry shot his wife and pistol whipped her while she was on the phone with her mother back in December of 2021. We're told Henry attempted to shoot her in the face, but the gun jammed. As he went to reload his gun, the DA's office says he told his 16-year-old stepson, quote, "We're all gonna die here," end quote. The son ran and called 911, and they were able to come to the scene and bring the woman and her son to safety. Henry pleaded guilty to aggravated assault of a family member with a weapon.